Ever wondered who ensures the software you use daily works flawlessly? Meet the superheroes behind the scenes, senior software QA engineers. They are the unsung heroes who ensure that the digital world runs without a hitch. Their role, you ask? They're responsible for testing, designing, and managing software systems to ensure quality and efficiency. Imagine a world where every digital touchpoint works seamlessly. That's their goal. So strap in and prepare yourself as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of a senior software QA engineer. Are you ready to dive in? So, what does a day in the life of a senior software QA engineer look like? Well, it's a role that's as dynamic as it is critical. Imagine being the detective of the software world, where your primary mission is to identify and resolve the hidden glitches that could hinder a program's performance. Their day typically begins with developing and executing test procedures, which are essentially detailed instructions on how to test the software product. It's like creating a recipe to bake the perfect cake, but in this case, the cake is the software and the ingredients are its various features. Next up, they monitor the results and identify any bugs or issues that crop up. It's a bit like playing hide and seek with those pesky bugs that love to hide in the most unexpected corners of the code. Finally, they work on improving the product quality. They're the last line of defense before a product reaches the user, making sure it's the best it can be. In essence, they are the gatekeepers of software quality. Now that we know their duties, let's explore their work environment. In the world of a senior software QA engineer, tools are the mainstay. They work with software like Selenium for automation testing, Jira for project management, and Postman for API verification. This is a tech-heavy role, but it's not all about the tools. The team environment plays a vital role too. They are often part of a larger team of developers, working closely with them to ensure the software is up to standard. Good communication is key as they need to articulate any issues they find effectively. And the context? It's usually a fast-paced, agile work environment where change is the only constant. It's about staying ahead of the curve, adapting to new technologies and methodologies, and always striving for better. In essence, being a senior software QA engineer is like living in a world that blends technology, teamwork, and constant learning. Every job has its highs and lows. Let's discuss what a senior software QA engineer might face. The challenges are real. The complexity of software systems today means that bugs can be intricate and elusive, requiring a sharp analytical mind. Plus, the pressure to ensure a product's quality before it hits the market can be daunting. But remember, no great endeavor is without its hurdles. Now let's talk rewards. There's the satisfaction of knowing you play an integral role in creating a flawless user experience. You are the gatekeeper of quality, ensuring that software is not just good but great. And then, there's the thrill of solving a particularly tricky bug, like a detective cracking a tough case. The salary and benefits are competitive, reflecting the importance of the role. Opportunities for advancement are plentiful, and the skills you acquire are highly transferable. Despite the challenges, the thrill of problem solving makes it all worthwhile. Wondering about the career progression and opportunities for a senior software QA engineer? Let's delve into that. As you gain experience and expertise, you can choose to branch out in different directions based on your interests. Some QA engineers may decide to pivot towards management roles, leading teams and overseeing projects. This path often involves strategy formulation, team leadership, and project coordination. Others may choose to specialize in certain types of testing, like performance testing or security testing. This path is all about becoming a master of one's craft, delving deep into the intricacies of specific testing domains. Or perhaps you might be intrigued by the prospect of becoming a consultant, advising companies on their software testing strategies. This role combines technical know-how with a strategic mindset. No matter the path you choose, remember that continuous learning and adaptability are key. In this fast-paced tech world, staying up to date with the latest tools and practices will always keep you one step ahead. From here, the possibilities are endless. So, is the role of a senior software QA engineer for you? We delved into the responsibilities, from validating software functions to working within dynamic teams. We explored the challenges, rewards, and the potential for career progression. This role is not just about testing, but about ensuring quality, and it requires a unique blend of skills. If you're intrigued by this role, why not explore further? And remember, subscribe and comment below to join the conversation. Until next time, keep exploring.